Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucia again with the new video, and today I'm gonna be doing an Ipsy unbagging or unboxing. So I finally decided to subscribe, and I know that Ipsy has 3 different subscriptions. The first one is the Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12. The second one is the Ipsy Glam bag plus, which is $25. And I think the third one is the Ipsy Glam X, which is $55. So this month we're going to be opening the Ipsy Glam Plus, which is $25. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's go ahead and open it. So I got this card that it says welcome. And on the bag it tells me the products that I got and the prices for them. So this is the bag that I got for this month. So cute. So the first item that I got is this Gold Fading MD Vita Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer that retails for $75. It smells like grapefruit. It does have grapefruit, so I think that's why it smells like that. It also has vitamin D, red tea extract, and grapefruit oil to brighten dark spots and refine texture. But I like the smell. I do like the smell. So next we have the Violet Boss Pinky Promise palette, which is this one, and it retails for $35. So this is the palette. It's really pretty. I'm gonna do some swatches. The first one that I'm gonna do is Forever Golden, which is this one. Then Secret. Then Everlasting. And then, which one? Pinky's Out, which is this one. It's really pigmented. Yeah, it's really pigmented. I think I like this palette. Next I have this one by the brand First Aid Beauty. The retails for $22, and it's the Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with amino acids. So it's like this. Next I have this Glow On Fifth by Puffy Eyes. The retails for $24. It's so cute. And lastly I have this one by It Cosmetics, and it's the Hugging Brush, and it retails for $42. So this one is a foundation brush, and I don't think it's gonna work for that. It's really soft. And you guys, this is it for the video. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.